Chimo, metunu makagi. Ekwe kwalaka, kanduru twa wella. Metunu makagi. Oh, ekwe kwalaka. Metunu makagi chimo.
Applause, ẹ pàtẹ́wọ́ fún. Beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, Hefzibah. Hey. We will welcome you on top the late night show.
Thank you.
So thank you. Say you even opened the show for us.
Thank you.
With that beautiful song, Keep Moving On, Abi. Keep Moving On, Abi. Now the title of the song be that.
Yes.
All right. Hefzibah, first make I start with your name. Because I know say some people they look now say Hefzibah. They sound like the name of zebra or something. Or say, so where the name Hefzibah come from?
The name Hefzibah come from Bible.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay,
so people where they go church don't know that name very well. Now for Isaiah chapter 62 verse 4.
Casa.
If you get Bible there or for your phone, make it check out. Now Hefzibah.
Okay. So Isaiah 62
4.
verse 4. Okay, Isaiah 62.
No. 624.
624. 62 verse 4 now. 624. 624. Now be 62 verse 4. And it says,
your name shall no longer be whatever your name is. Your new name is now Hefzibah. Because I delight in you. So if you know say God delights for your life, God delights for you. As in they seeing they happy, your new name na Hefzibah. All the Hefzibahs will say amen. Now also your new name too.
Hefzibah.
Correct.
Hefzibah.
Correct. And easy too.
Easy.
What's
this on talk?
You feel just talk.
Come up for that place. I hear Hefzibah.
That's the name of it.
Yeah.
That's the name of
You know your own law enter correct.
Wait.
Easy.
Okay, Hefzibah.
Let me hear that.
Now we come on speak for
you know the vex. You know the big me.
Hefzibah.
No, just leave
You know what?
Just say
Hefzibah. You know what? Hefzibah.
No, your own better pass.
Bless you,
Correct.
bless you,
Yes,
bless you.
yes,
You say when you are in the godly mode, you say bless you. Bless you. Hefzibah, welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome. Now, why the choice of this particular form of instrument, the acoustic?
The acoustic guitar. You want make I say the real truth.
Okay, talk the truth.
Na NEPA.
Serious?
Yes, because if I want to learn keyboard, no lights. So this
Okay.
one, you don't need lights.
Okay.
So
Now it's easy.
just
Okay. Some
so
people
whether lights no day for your side, just carry your
music
guitar.
must go on.
The music must go on.
correct. No, it's not a very, very wise thing.
Yes.
Some people they wait for
Piano,
keyboard.
yeah.
And say, hi, so NEPA, you don't go buy battery. Put before you play 2 times, the full battery don't
Don't
finish.
drain, yeah.
I got on my friend, guys, they convert their own car battery. Put am. It not still work. But this particular instrument, because I want to wear me, I don't want to learn since. I talk and see even when they will carry my guy, what's his name again? Stan I come for the show. I tell him now, say this thing I must learn now. You know, because I need to learn this thing. So I would those days when I did vex, I feel just climb on top of my house. Just carry it in. I'm vexing for the world. I'm vexing for this war. I just the vex you. I just the vex you. You know the chorus. I just the vex you. Yeah, I. Hey.
You express yourself.
I express myself. Now.
I don't know if you want to finish, verse again.
I don't know verse again. Yeah. So I don't know if you jump from that up.
No.
We cannot commit a suicide.
No, we cannot.
Instead, I just play music to get over the emotional stress. Hefzibah.
Yeah.
Now, first, before I continue with the whole G, because the guy will take the ask this thing, say Hefzibah don't marry.
Yes.
Oh,
so sorry.
Hey. No, you say so sorry, like say. Is it Michelle?
No, because the look for your face, you felt disappointed somehow.
Serious? Serious? No, I better come. See, I don't like all this kind of nonsense, please. You show for my face I was disappointed.
Look my face. Hefzibah, you don't marry. No, don't answer me, you don't marry.
Yes.
Okay.
The same look. I see the same look. Not the same look.
I just asked you.
No, not the
So
same
you were
look.
much more disappointed.
No, I asked what did she do for you. What did you do
come
for
on
her?
there.
Yeah?
Your own show too much. Your own show too much. I simply ask, make it no be like say, because this show, these two single men who did the show, sometimes we always ask this thing to clarify things before we continue with every other thing.
Exactly.
So how many years now?
I did new for the.
Now you start the whole ministry. God will keep on
continuously.
continuously.
Amen.
Hefzibah, now you do gospel music.
Yes.
Gospel music,
Gospel, and I try to do. I did try to do some inspirational because. The thing I did do now, I did go all over Africa. They talk to small children, where maybe they don't get papa, they don't get mama.
Okay.
I they encourage them, they boost their morale, they lift their spirit with my song. So as I did do gospel, I did do song where they lift person's spirit. Yes.
Okay.
Also I did do wedding song.
Okay.
I get more inspiration after I don't marry. I get boldness to talk about love. I feel say I never be professor, but I guess
At least some kind of experience, some things don't enter.
Yes, I did do wedding song. Also I did do song for my country, Nigeria. I really love Nigeria.
Huh. Yes. Nigeria, we love our country.
Yes, so
One love.
One love,
One love.
nothing that happened to us for this country. I love this country.
Lawyer.
Yeah. This is why some people love this country now, because of some kind of law and order we're not there. That makes some people love the country. If you go below, you they'll tell you, say, no, you must cross the zebra crossing
If not,
properly.
don't use the road.
If not, no girls pass outside. Or if you park motor anywhere, anyhow, you can't miss Nigeria. Because some
I
people,
did tell you.
some people can't reach here because say, oh boy, don't this I do anyhow.
Very loud.
My call cross express.
If you just go buy food, they say, madam, but everybody go out.
It's something they make you miss Nigeria anyhow. If you don't park motor for a road, just buy Bolly. You know they happen like that now.
You're in the middle of the road, just stop and
now.
receive call.
Just receive call. Just stop a motor for express. Just off farm.
Receive call.
Some people they press horn. Just so they greet yourself.
Say,
Papa, how far now? Papa, come over road. Papa, this guy said, but different things, law and order. But we thank God, we love our country.
Thank God.
We love our country.
Thank God.
So this different kind of music, the way they do, now not just gospel. So basically, you are a good musician. You are a good musician.
Yes.
No shaking anything upon the no. We don't want to shake things anyhow. You understand? The only thing way you go shake now your guitar. Now be the main shakeable. No need for too much things. But now, still based on the whole talk now. And we know say okay. The first song we do for us now, keep moving on. Second one you can't do just now.
Touch me.
Touch me.
Yes.
Because when you first start, when I see touch me as title, I can't say here. It be like saying touching, touching, and those things. Yes, but when I can't hear the that song for my church that year, if you just sing that, get one woman from my church, she go shout, Jesus! Jesus, Metuaka, holy! Madam, that woman can enter spirit, eh? Even if you just sing national anthem. Because my church, if we want to end that year, we end our second stanza. You shouldn't pray at that second stanza be, oh God of creation. Yeah. If you just enter, oh God of creation, she go shout, Jesus! But that calm down, the national anthem. What's wrong with you? Just enter spirit anyhow. You understand? But now, based on all this whole level like this now, because I don't when we see people they do different kind of music then like this, we doesn't want to ask them say okay, how music for you don't take be so far? Because I know say most gospel artists them, no they too the reason why they always branch and become more not too day for the gospel P. They always say, man, this work what they do for God. So why they go pay me this money? Why the hammering go come? This is why they play guitar. Wait my name na David for Bible. You understand? So there are different things. So people can't branch, can't do. So my question be this. Say God call you to play this music, or now you call yourself?
I'll be a miss call.
Which of the above?
I think say God call me because when I look back, my papa na choir master.
Okay, first.
Yes. My mama na the lead soloist for choir.
That
kind
you don't
thing.
get how you want to take miss that calling. That calling that say, they don't even call you yourself. They mention your name, say you.
So
you are a member.
Since where I did Unilag, I did think, I go blow for Unilag. I did sing for every fellowship. They sing.
Child.
This is no green move. So I can't say make I walk. At least I get 2-1, make I just walk. And
2-1 for
zoology.
zoology.
I study zoology.
Yeah, we'll go see enter that side. Zoology.
So as I make that 2-1 now, I come say, okay, make I walk.
Okay.
Since the thing they blow by himself, make I
make you just help the blowing. Don't put bomb for the body of the
that
thing.
kind thing.
Pay for blowing.
That kind of thing. So I can't work, but now only bank work day.
Okay.
I get 3 banks, they call me.
For this country, we funny, shall. Person go study zoology.
Yeah.
Zoology. Can't go work for bank.
Yes.
How?
Yes, they say you get brain, you get 2-1, and you sabi speak correct English. You can't package well when you wear your suit. You go say, "Oh, welcome, sir. You're welcome."
Chai, super kids.
They can't put you for bank, so they work for bank.
Okay.
I can't work for bank small, but every day where they go, my heart they say make I try and make I just try this music. It fits, and then I go come waste for bank for behind
Just
one
stand there,
cubicle.
they waste anyhow.
And when radio they play, I say I suppose they there. When I they watch people, I say, no. So and for weekends sometimes I go just throw off my suit, carry my guitar, they go. I feel like
they do the thing.
I feel like this movie Superman.
Yes.
Superman when they go office, go wearing glasses, just
so you can't get through life.
And here now, then when you don't see, I
you
go
don't change again from
change.
Clark Kent to Superman.
I'm telling you. Man.
So you the
Me, I don't feel like that.
but your original
For
name na Hefzibah?
No.
Stage name.
Na stage name.
So your real name na
Peace.
Peace. Kasa. So they
Understand.
changed from Peace
Yes.
to Hefzibah.
Oh, yeah,
When Peace don't come out from work, but a very, very good teacher.
Yes.
True life. Yeah.
So I can't say no because I can't hate Monday. Today na Monday, thank God.
Yes.
I can't hate Monday. I they want make weekend come, make I go one place, go jam.
Let's go jam.
So easy. I can't tell my mama say, I know you like the money where they give you every month, but
based on salary things.
and she they like both. My mama, that's my young daughter. I'm telling you, our friend don't go hear what. But I can't tell and say, no worry, this music I go give you check way big past this one.
Correct.
Just support me, pray for me, give me your blessing. My mama with tears.
Hey.
No be for
You just lock up. Say, hey.
no be with all her mind though. Now I can't tell and say to show that you support me, help me take the resignation letter.
Hey.
No, it's okay. I love you. I go do it.
Child.
So thank God. I can't carry on the travel now. When I go all this my African tour, I carry on. She said they feel like manager. I'm a manager.
Yes. That's my daughter. What's wrong to you? She has me too. I was a chorister that year. What's wrong to you? She took it from me. Parents can proud of the some kind things. They don't pride things. I mean, but a good story.
Yeah.
A good story. I mean, but you can't give us the gist of the African countries where you don't enter and all the other things. And so we will let you play one of your other songs now.
Okay.
After that one, I will come around, go on break. By the time we come back, we'll give more gist. All right. Okay. So we could watch Hefzibah, they do her thing, even as we do flex the whole level.
Said I will be different. I am a light to the world. I am so different. I live for you. Said I will be different. Said I am a light to the world. I am so different. I live for you. I live for you. In purity, in righteousness, in holiness. I live for you. In purity, in righteousness, in holiness. Said, will you be different? 'Cause you are a light to the world. Be so different and live for Jesus. Will you be different? Hey, you are a light to the world. for in purity, in righteousness, in holiness. Live for in purity, in righteousness, in holiness. Said you are different. You are different. I am different.
I am different. Ladies and gentlemen, I see the late night show. You're different. I am different. Hefzibah is different. Exhibit is different. We are all different because we're the light of the world.
Yes.
Yes, so when they come back and see the late night show, don't go anywhere like duh. You know, I am different. Yeah.
No wonder. She. Who gives a coin in this area? Excuse me. Why do you throw money at me? Who do you think you are? Why do you throw money? If you put it there and it runs down, what happens to you? Get it? What? Put it down and it runs. Who do you think am I a dog? Eh? Am I a dog that you just throw things? And why would you give me a coin? Someone of your caravan status, why would you give me a coin right now? What do you want me to use this coin for? What did you think I don't have a family? I don't have a family that has needs. They don't eat, they don't drink, they don't sleep. I don't pay rent, what would you, okay, advise me, if it were you, what would you use this for? Stop embarrassing yourself. The whole of you, take it, I don't need it. Take it. You seem to be needing it. Actually, you have more. Because you don't seem to be in the status of people who should be giving me. You give me you people think we are here to waste time, eh? You leave it and we see whether my business won't prosper. When you reach home, tell your family that a beggar gave you money. Hey, a beggar gave you money. What is wrong with people? Shia. Please save your time. If you know you are looking for coins, madam, save your time. I don't have space for coins. You think that people who have given me paper money are stupid? So you are intelligent. You are very intelligent. You have to look for coins. You give me any money, any currency that you want, pounds, euros, America Forex Bureau, anything that you want. I will have to change, but don't dare give me. Do not give. I wish I had a stone. Do not give me coins. If you know you're not going to give me paper money, you go. Go. We shall see if my business won't prosper. You go there stressing your commander hips on the streets when you cannot even respect someone who is doing their job. What is wrong with this world? People cannot give to charity. You cannot give to charity. You think we are here to waste time? Or you think that if I was getting coins from everyone, how would I have built this house? How would I build this house when I'm receiving coins? Stupid people.
Okay. Now welcome back. That's Kit. Shut up my folks now. This collecting money things. Well, any which way, people get their own different kind of hustle. Some people have to sit down for a road, they beg for the money, but they build house somewhere. You understand? But why do you say people always like to give coins? Or those last change?
You understand?
Sometimes for me, better make I not even give at all.
And even if you still not give at all, they will still say, this guy will still drop now, even if it's a small thing.
Because some people, I don't would, you get one day where I chook hand for pocket. Say, make I bring maybe like 100 naira or maybe 50 naira.
I'm shocked, 1K come
I just call, 1K, you come out.
Shit.
I give the guy your take. God bless you too. Bye-bye. I say, he paid me, but later I can't feel good. Say, at least I do something where we say, no, be my normal. But you know, oftentimes we need to even come up for that normal. Say, okay, make I just give them change, 20 naira, 10 naira. And sometimes somebody need 5 naira to. I don't want. What if 5 naira I want to do? He reached me that get vex. So he reached me she just vex.
Imagine this babe. You know what they para like this way be beggar. Imagine that she can't get the money.
All right, we'll see you on top of the late night show. And of course, Ogbonge Day here, Exhibit Day here. And of course, our correct guest, Hefzibah, see there in the building. Now, quickly, just before we go for that particular short break, you talk about your African countries movement and everything. So which countries then you don't enter and which kind of things don't happen for that side?
I don't go... I first start from Nigeria. I don't go Abuja, I don't go Akwa Ibom, Port Harcourt. Okay. But I can't go Ghana, you know. Yes, and I get a story for that Ghana.
Yeah. Okay.
No easy. I think say not only, you know, maybe Oyibo, they don't like Nigeria. Even Ghana said the small, small beef. You know. I did shock. But waiting can happen. You see, as I come as a Nigerian, come want do charity show for
for that side.
Can't say all the orphans not finished for Nigeria. We come Ghana come they help us. I come say no. I don't do it for Nigeria. I just want reach out to the whole Africa. Come say okay, no problem. So some people there, some people we want sponsor say they go sponsor, but they know the trust. They feel say I be Nigerian. Exactly. I can't tell them say no. I don't want make una give me anything. Make una just come that day. Just give the children direct by on herself. They promise us food for that day for every child we go come. Okay. They expect 500 children. We go do concerts. The children will perform. Okay. We Hefzibah, the crew, we go perform too. And then they tell people instead of you to pay gates fee for this concert, they can bring something for the children that day. Now waiting with the organize. So just maybe to transport the children from their orphanages, the food when they go chop that day, the whole some basic things like that. Now we they ask for some Ghanaian people to come, put hand. So they can't look me and say Nigerian. Nigerian.
They choke now.
They look me. So one particular company where say they go bring the food, tell us come tomorrow. They post us like post office. Come next week. Come the next week. Come. Now in one place they can't come and make a come sing. They say you feel sing for this place. We they launch something for children. I say no, me I won't serve. I won't help children. They can't say we don't even know say you there around. We don't already get person, but you go be the second person. I say no problem. As I won't go be the second person, the first person can't come. They look the equipment and say, which kind of equipment is this? I know if it's sing with this kind of microphone, this kind of keyboard, this kind. I beg, I know if it's sing. I come yes, now I come become be the main person. Me self, I hold my guitar.
Now you hold and finish the
hold my.
Today una go know.
Hefzibah don't come.
So aside from Ghana now.
As I finish, sorry. No, make I just that gist. I don't say for that program. The vice president for Ghana did that program.
For that particular program?
Wow. That program where I supposed to be second artist, but the first artist
just tire come out. That is God. That is God. The God that makes the impossible possible. He orchestrates the way for you where there seems to be no way and sets you among kings and not men. Casa.
Now the vice president wife come meet me, come say, man, I love your spirit. I'm so inspired by you. What thing they do for Ghana, I can't tell her thing where they do. She can't give her the food. But
everything just open, road just open like that.
The people when they come every week. Even for the last week, they tell us say, maybe now for that day, those people no show.
Some kind of disappointment
I'm
left and
telling you,
center.
but God just make that
final. Everything just make brain. Correct. But other African countries when don't go.
Other African countries, God just they help us. So many.
Like which one and which one them?
We just go Kenya.
Just
go Kenya. We won't go Cameroon, but the advice us make we no go again. We won't go South Africa.
Please not be now. Please not be now. Most set you everything for that side.
Yes.
But before come out onto your whole music thing and everything, your husband.
Yes.
Your husband. Can't see the smiles just on your face. I just mentioned your husband. Like, yes. How did he propose to you? How did he propose to you?
You see, not my own proposal and a funny one because the day before the wedding I can't remind them. See, he never proposed to me.
Seriously? How did they reach there? How did they reach where wedding? No, now the friend they got.
No, wait till happen be say I meet my husband when we dey small. He can go abroad. If then we just they work for God, in be president teenage present for in church. Me I be teenage choir leader.
Oh, so from church
we come
things
there,
and
we come
everything.
see. So you come go abroad, come go school.
Okay.
So we just dey yarn for
okay, social media things.
those kind of things. So now him come. The thing just turn to marriage. We don't know how the thing happened. So he just come. As he come, he get 1 month. I be 3 weeks from office. He just come for the wedding. So we just dey run around. And the day before the wedding, I come see.
So you not propose formally to me, oh?
Bros, wait I go tell our children now.
Wait, hey, you go still give me this gist well for a back of camera. Maybe I go apply am too because the way it tell me now, maybe now you propose to her, I no propose to you.
No.
You have to think about it somewhere. Maybe there is a proposal somewhere that you were not aware of.
The Lord will not allow.
All right, so dear, we thank you very much that you come this show today.
Thank you.
And of course, but we look forward to many things from you at least before the year end and every. Hefzibah, thank you very much. Thank you very much. So you carry us for this break now with any of your song. Then we'll go take finish for today. Then from there we go know how far. But on top of social media, how will tell people go take reach you?
You feel follow me for Twitter at HEF underscore Zibah ZIBAH. Let me make I call him again.
Call him so that know.
At
HEF
ZIBAH.
Okay, even on top of our screen like this, so everything makes sense like that.
Yes, you feel follow me for Twitter.
Okay.
Also Facebook, you can see all the pictures, all the places where we don't go, all the children where we don't help, and all that.
All right, so do your thing.
Okay, this song now, say song.
Sing song.
Sesongo abasimi, sesongo etemi, sesongo oboni, sesongo edine, sesongo abasi, sesongo etemi, sesongo oboni, sesongo edine, sesongo, everybody, sesongo, 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 sesongo abasimi, sesongo etemi, sesongo aboni, sesongo. I remember what you did in the past for me, and I give you praise. You praise. Today I have you. You're my greatest asset, and you give me the grace for the race. With you in my life, I am confident the future is greater and brighter and sweeter. You take me higher. Sesongo, everybody say sesongo. Easy. Sesongo. Sesongo. All the Hefzibah say sesongo. Hey, yeah, sesongo. Ooh, yeah, sesongo. Sesongo.
Hey! Oh boy, see you don't bust.
Yes,
They feel all the harmony. Easy, we don't know. You say you bad. Me too, I wicked. Everybody call crown every. All right, sharply, make we go say wrong for this break. Then we'll come back. Then do the final things on top of the show. From there, we will close every for today. So we're not going anywhere. They come back. So don't allow fear stop you from achieving the things the way you're supposed to achieve with your life. Everybody get purpose for this earth and you must fulfill your purpose. So don't allow fear stop you from fulfilling purpose. Allow faith to ginger you, carry you go to the next level. All right, so from myself and Easy Bit, my guy, and everybody from inside this place, so they say good night to all of you now. Wanna catch better sleep, and of course, you know, all sleep well, all right? So we love all of you now. Wanna jam us on top Twitter at W Late Night Show. Reach there, give us gist and every. Wanna follow us on Facebook too, the Late Night Show. Just reach there, follow us, and then from there we go do every of the remaining things. Them, okay? So from Ogbolo, from Easy Bit, we say good night. We love all of you now.